I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you this extension. Actually, this is not just a Chrome extension. This can help you in your browser task. Okay, so suppose that if you're working on different types of websites, if you're browsing every day different types of websites, and you need help with AI, because whenever you use chat gpt or something like that, you need to open that specific website in separate page. But this extension is unbelievable. Okay, what it can do, you can just browse any website like this, and suppose that this is the website you were working on, or anything, or maybe amazon.com or something like that. What you need to do, suppose that let me open some other websites too, like maybe google and like this. So now what you can do, first of all, you need to install this extension. Okay, if you already installed this extension, you just need to click on this icon. Okay, so suppose that I am working on this website. What I will do here, I will just click on this icon. Okay, now I can ask it anything, like what is my internet speed right now. Okay, so now it will obviously analyze this page. It will automatically answer me. I don't need to even select the text or something like that, or I don't need to copy this text and go to another tab and then ask it. That's not obviously needed here. I just asked it what is my internet speed right now, and it can obviously tell me my internet speed is 12 mbps right now, and that is why I'm getting it here. Okay, so same thing if I search here something like keyboard. Okay, and if I open different types of product, I can ask it which product I should buy right now. I should buy based on current products showing. Okay, so now it will analyze all of these products one by one, and it will tell me which product I should buy, and it will obviously tell me suggestions or something like that, so I can easily buy the products. There you go, you can see the Logitech. This is Logitech, and this is the pricing, and these are the 5 stars or 4.4 stars. Okay, so it is explaining me every product, and finally there is a recommendation criteria. Okay, so now it is telling me that you should buy this specific product. Okay, like this one is a good deal, so is ideal for me, so that's why I will go to that specific product K86. If I show you this is there, and this is very good product. Okay, the pricing is good and the reviews are also good, so yeah, I can instantly buy it. Now let me show you some other magics with this extension. So suppose that if I open this product, and if I want to analyze this product further, what I can just do, I can just tell it to analyze reviews and tell me some pros and cons. Okay, now it will just analyze these reviews, because if I scroll down the page, you can see there are some reviews. Okay, now it will analyze these reviews, and it will tell me what are the pros and cons of this product. Okay, there you go, and these are the pros and these are the cons. So it analyzed the review, and overall it is saying that it's a well regarded, it's organic, benefits and comfort, so I can obviously buy it. Now I can obviously show some other things that you can do with this extension. Okay, so you can just select the text here. Okay, I just selected the text. Now you can see replying to selected text. Okay, I can ask specific thing related to this text. Okay, before that, when I don't select anything, it analyzes complete page, but when I just try to select the specific text, now it will only analyze that specific text. Okay, so suppose that if I just want to create an article based on these specifications, I can just select the text. I can write a complete SEO optimized article using these specs of product. Okay, so now it will analyze these specs of the product, because now it's using this selected text. Okay, and it will write a detailed article for me. That would be obviously useful when I submit that article to different types of other websites. Okay, so now it's just writing the text article, and there you go. If I show you, enhance your typing experience. Okay, perfect. Okay, that is 100% usable. Okay, even it included the link as well, so you can, or user can buy easily. Okay, so not only this, I can click on this icon. Like if you see there's a camera icon. Okay, I can click on this icon, I can take the picture like this, and obviously it will now analyze the picture with AI, and now I can ask it anything, like can you tell me if this keyboard fits for coding. Okay, coding. Now what it will do, it will actually analyze this image that I already sent to it, and now it will tell me if this keyboard is best fit for coding or not. Now it already knows that this is the keyboard, and each and everything is there. Okay, you can even click on prompt to see the prompt what was sent to an AI. Okay, so this is how it is working. Now let me show you some other examples. Now actually, if I show you the assistants that I already created on this specific extension, I will just close the sidebar for now. Okay, and I will obviously start a fresh chat again. So I have created different types of assistant. By default, this extension comes with 3 assistants, the first 3. Okay, and the rest you can create as many as you want based on your needs. I created YouTube assistant, I created Gmail professional assistant, Amazon assistant, smartphone assistant, that is based on knowledge base. Okay, so it answers based on my knowledge base. I have created tweets writer, LinkedIn post generator, Upwork proposal writer. So let's use this Amazon again. Okay, I will use this assistant, and to use it there are multiple options. First of all, you can just click on chat button here, and you can just provide it data, and you can obviously chat with it. Okay, so suppose that okay, let me close it and let me open this assistant like smartphone that is based on PDF knowledge. So I will ask it how to fix battery issues, okay, and even I can select the model here as well, but right now this is trained on GPT-4o. You can obviously go with that, or you can select any model that you want, and here you can select the assistant as well. So right now I will obviously use the same assistant that I already selected, and I will ask from knowledge base, and I will try to ask how to fix battery issues. Okay, now it will just use the knowledge base and it will answer me from the knowledge base. Obviously I will showing you. So suppose that you can see here are the settings that explain to me. Okay, so if I click on show prompt, you can see this is the knowledge base that I already used in my assistant. Even the same PDF I can show you in a second. If I go to this assistant, and here is the assistant, and you can see this is in the knowledge base. Okay, so you can also create the assistants with knowledge base. I will later show to you. Okay, so now I will obviously use some assistants on this website. How I can do that? That's very easy. You just need to open the extension. In the same way, you just need to switch from default assistant to specific assistant that you want. Like I want Amazon shopping assistant, I will just click on it, and I can use any model like I want. Okay, and after that I already created sub specifications. I mean, assistant has specific quick actions. Okay, so when you create assistant, like here, when you create an assistant, you specify here like assistant name, description, system prompt, and here you describe quick actions. So these are the same quick actions that are showing here. Okay, so maybe if I show you my Amazon assistant here, so this is my Amazon assistant, and you can see I already written system prompt, and I have set specific quick action for each specific task. Okay, so this means this system prompt is a base prompt, but each quick action has separate prompt. Okay, so when you click on this review analyzer, it will take this prompt along with this system prompt and send to AI. When you click on product comparison, it will take the product comparison prompt and this prompt and send to AI. So this is specific prompts for each quick action. Okay, so now what I will do, I will go to Amazon page. Okay, and I will click on review analyzer. So review analyzer has specific prompt. You can see analyze the customer reviews visible on the page and provide overall sentiment, and each and everything you can see in the prompt itself. Okay, now it will analyze the reviews on this page and it will answer me accordingly. So there you go, you can see it provided me detailed sentiment analysis, top 3 pros and top 3 cons of the complaints. Okay, so you can see each and everything is there. Okay, now I can click on product comparison, but right now there are showing multiple products here. Okay, I can click on product comparison, and now it will compare all of these products and it will provide me detailed comparison for these products. Okay, so now let's wait for the result, and obviously it will be providing me detailed comparison of all these products that are showing on the page right now. Okay, you can see it even provided me key specifications like column side by side. So even if I copy this specific thing or like this, and if I maybe open notepad, it will look like table, I think so. So let me open the notepad here. So it's opening the notepad. I have to, okay, so let me show it. I think it's 1 second, only 1 second please. Okay, perfect. Now this is showing like this. Okay, you can see I just pasted in my notepad and this is looking very good. Okay, so you can use this in your articles or somewhere where you want to use it. Okay, so now there's one more quick action, that is specification extractor. I can click on it. It can take all of the page context and it will provide me all specification in one go. Okay, so there you go. Okay, key features, specification, name and model, dimensions, compatibility information, each and everything is there. Okay, so that is how you use it. Okay, so now let me guide you something others. Okay, you can also attach or scrap a link, you can add your voice records, you can attach file attachments, or you can even enable web search here. Okay, if I do web search, what is BTC rate now? Now it will just analyze the BTC rate on Google, and obviously it will be searching different types of sources, and it will provide me BTC rate that is right now. Okay. Okay, so not only this, you can also click on knowledge base here. Okay, so this is a BTC rate. You can click on knowledge base if your assistant has knowledge base. So suppose that if maybe my assistant has knowledge base, this one, I will click on knowledge base. Now it will be fetching information from my knowledge base. Okay, so I will ask it how to fix battery issues, and now it will tell me the same thing that it already told me in separate chat. Okay, so now it will tell me that how to fix the battery issues. There you go. And it even provided me that this is mentioned in this specific common issues PDF. Okay, you can see how cool it is. So this is how you can do it. You can click on this menu icon, you can click on assistants button, and you can create all of assistants. If you want to create a new assistant, just click on this and just set the settings, and after that you can use it. Okay, so this is how you use this extension. To install this extension, what you need to do, actually, you just need to go to Chrome App Store. Okay, and I will just close this tab, and you can go to this RAG assistant here, and you just need to click on add to Chrome, and this extension will be yours. And there's no paid subscription or like that. It's open source. Just use it and provide your feedback. You can add your feedback here. Thank you. Have a good day.